Congratulations, you got the Globalkeep MA-S electric dirt bike. You want to put your bike together. This is your assembly video. We're going to walk through the whole process step by step. Let's get it started. But first things first, let's get it opened up. Oh, this is going to be a good one. First thing first, we're going to get all the parts, all the plastic, lay everything out nice and neat, get this ready to organize and get it put together. Let's go. Here's our bike, all the plastic's off, there's all the stuff. I gotta tell you guys, Globalkeep does such a good job here. They got all their tools nice and neat, organized right there. They do have some stuff underneath as well. There's our instructions, there's the charger, a few other things right there. But guys, awesome, all right? Let's get this bike put together. First things first, we'll get that handlebar thrown on and go from there. We're gonna start by getting these 4 bolts taken out, take that cover off, and we're gonna take this handlebar and we're gonna line it up dead center of that. You're gonna wanna center that right between that console and the 4 bolts, center up right there. Take your bracket, snap it back into place, just like that. And then once you get that in place, nice and squared up, tighten that baby up right there. Nice job on that. What you want to do now, we're gonna put that front tire on. If you have a bike lift, lift it up. Otherwise, you guys can flip it upside down, just put the handlebars on the cardboard. Let's check it out. First thing we gotta do is move this bolt. Just undo these nuts. You can toss this thing away when you're done. In case you're wondering, for the black bolt you need for the tire, they actually mount it right to the tire. Don't be like me and look for it for 20 minutes. It's gonna be right there. So with this bolt, you're gonna remove completely one side all the way off, leaving one side on. So we're gonna fish this right through the tire. And take your other end and go all the way to the very end. So you have this all the way, almost all the way off. Go ahead and put that bolt right through the tire like that. And you're gonna go ahead and put all this stuff back on. Make sure you put the rubber washer on like that. Then you guys will have the spacer just like this. Just have the washer and then the nut. Same thing with the nut, just barely put that on. That's how it's gonna sit on there. Now we're ready to put the wheel on the bike. Make sure when you do that, that the brake right here, the pads, there's nothing in between, because our disc from our wheel is gonna go right inside there. Make sure the wheel disc goes right in between the brake pad, just like that. You'll actually go ahead and start your bolt through the hole. Make sure this spacer and this washer on the inside, because this will have to go up against the tire. This will go up on the outside of the wheel. And the same thing on the other side, make sure that washer, that spacer, and that rubber washer go on the other side, so your wheel should look just like this. And then we'll put our nut and our washer right there. And once you get the bolt right here evened up on both sides, give the wheel a spin, make sure that spins freely. If it does, you're good to go. Let's torque those 2 down right here. Nice work, the wheel's all done. Now one thing I would do before we flip it back up is let's get those pedals on. Nice part about the pedals, they do come in this nice little bag, and they are labeled R and L, so you know exactly what side to put them on. We're ready to take the bike and flip it back up the right way. We do have our kickstand already on, so let's get it ready. Next thing we're gonna do is get our fender put on. That's gonna go right up here. We're gonna take this bolt off, thread it right through there, get that baby put on. Next thing, we have our light right here. There's 2 brackets right there. The nice part is we're gonna take these 2 bolts out, we're gonna thread it right into place, and go ahead. Once you get that into place, adjust the angle so it's up and down, rip that plastic off, and then tighten those 2 nuts up right there. And don't forget to connect the wires there and there. All right, almost there, guys. Next thing we're gonna do is the seat. Take these 4 nuts off of the seat. You want to line up these 2 bolts in the front, so the thicker part go in these 2 holes in the frame, the 2 holes in the back go back there. At the same time, make sure you have your fender, line that up. You can see how those holes line up. So put those back bolts through both of these, get the nuts on, you should be good to go. Underneath, make sure you get those 2 nuts tightened up and the 2 down there. You guys should be good to go. Get your wrench right here. That's what it looks like. Tighten it up. Nice work, guys. Almost there. There's our light. We're gonna get these 2 nuts off, thread it through there. That's gonna be for our license plate holder, like that. Good. Look just like that once you're all installed. And one of the things I really like about the bikes, they do give you this little bag here, and it's got your phone holder, it's got a little bike lock inside, you do get a tire pump. I mean, there's a bunch of free accessories that do come with this bike. I mean, Globalkeep really knocks it out of the park. Let's get this fastened on. It's just gonna be some Velcro right here, up on the front. Congratulations, you got your bike put together. This thing looks really, really sharp. Get all your extras, you do get a charger, some extra stickers to put on, your tire compressor, tire pump there. There's your lock in that bag. We're gonna charge this up. I'll be making another video going through the entire option, how to use it, and just overall performance review of the machine. But congratulations, like and subscribe, guys.